You can have a look at the living area, the spacious one with the beautiful interior. This is your beautiful kitchen area. You can have and the spacious, beautiful, cozy room. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the 5 BHK sample villa tour of a wonderful World Phase 1 by NVT located on Sarjapur Attibele Road in Attibele, Bangalore. So right now I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So basically this is the main entrance of a wonderful World Phase 1. So once you enter, the marketing office is inside and they have the actual villa ready over here inside. So let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. And the township is spread across 100 acres which will be developed in phases. Now launched with phase 1 in 10.5 acres consisting of 123 villas. So you'll be getting 4 BHK and 5 BHK villas and all the villas are of ground plus 2 floors. Now about the amenities, and the project offers you luxurious amenities like of grand clubhouse, multi-purpose court, kids play area, party lawn, amphitheatre and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located on Sarjapur Attibele Road in Attibele, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will take you towards Sarjapur Attibele Road and about the main entrance on our project. So this is the land parcel and the main entrance of our wonderful world project phase 1. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to New Baldwin International School in just 400 meters. Attibele Circle is 2.2 kilometers away from the location. So now let's have a look at your 5 BHK sample villa of 3,947 square feet super built up area. So the elevation will be exact the same as you can have a look over here. It comes up with a front garden, main entrance and 2 car parking facilities. Now let's move inside your exclusive 5 BHK villa. So once you step inside, they will provide you the foyer area for your privacy and you can have a look at the flooring. These are marble flooring and the double ceiling height. You can have a look at the living area, the spacious one with the beautiful interior work done for your reference with the sofa set, the TV unit space. And now the plus point is the ceiling height. This is the double heighted ceiling height. And the USP part, let me show you the cutout of sky view. So even they will provide you this beautiful sky view. Now let's move further towards your dining space, and this is your spacious dining area where you can fit in your long horizontal dining table over here. So with the easy access, kitchen is right over here, but before that let me show you another thing, and that is the backyard. So right over here is the backyard which you can use it in a multi-purpose way. You can add up your garden area. You can arrange a small party, the get-together, family get-together, friend get-together. Now as mentioned, your kitchen area with the easy access with your dining area. So this is your beautiful kitchen area. You can have a look over the interior work done with the cabinets, the platform, white goods and windows for ventilation and lighting purpose. So basically this is your dry area, comes up with wooden finishing anti-skid flooring, and this dry area is connected to your backyard. So it will take you towards your backyard. Not just your backyard, but even it will connect you to the parking area. And basically here you'll be getting the staff room. The access for your staff room will be from this side. Currently it is locked over here, but it contains an ample of space to move around in the room where you can add up your maid's bed, your wardrobe, and even there is a private washroom for your maids. Now we'll be moving further to check the rest of the house. And once you step inside over here, the powder room is right over this side. So let's have a look at the powder room over here with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So your ground floor contains one bedroom, which is on my right hand side. So let's move inside your bedroom number 1. So let's have a look at the flooring. This is a proper wooden flooring and the ceiling height over here. The window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here's a huge bed. And now let's move around the room. So you can add up your wardrobe right this side. With private washroom, with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. And now we'll be moving further towards your floor number 1. So we'll be taking the staircase over here, and let me inform you one more thing. They will even provide you the provision for your lift area right over here. So let's move further towards your floor number 1. So this is a staircase, comes up with toughened glass railing. With marble flooring. Now this is your floor number 1. So you can have a look over here. They have provided you with the family lounge area. So basically this is a family lounge area. Here they have provided the wooden flooring, the proper wooden flooring. You can add up your sofa set, your couches over here. Comes up with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And this floor has 3 bedrooms. So we'll be moving further towards your bedroom number 2. Once you step inside this bedroom, you can have a look at the flooring, the wooden flooring, and this is the spacious bedroom. The bed placed right in the center of the room. Here is not just a window but a balcony. So let's focus upon the balcony area. With wooden finishing anti-skid flooring, half wall structure, and this balcony is connected to your another bedroom as well. Now over this side is your wardrobe space, so you can add up your wardrobe over here. And about the washroom, so this bedroom comes up with a private washroom right over this side. Here's a washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 2, which is just beside this bedroom. So once you step inside this bedroom, you can have a look at the flooring again with wooden flooring. And this bedroom, you can say it's almost a replica of the bedroom number 2 with a bed space, and there is ample of space to move around in the room. The wardrobe is right over this side, and yes, basically here is your balcony. So this is the same balcony that we have checked earlier. Let's have a view again. You can enjoy a beautiful view. About the washroom, so yes, again this bedroom comes up with a private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. One thing that we missed out is a window which is placed on my right hand side over here. So here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now we'll be moving further towards your next bedroom. So on the opposite side is your bedroom number 4. That is your master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. And again, once you step inside this room, you can have a look at the flooring. This is a proper wooden flooring. And the spacious, beautiful, cozy room, which has a beautiful bed right in the center of the room over here. And the best part, let me show you the best part, is the wardrobe. Here they have provided the walk-in wardrobe. So let's move inside this area. The walk-in wardrobe with private attached washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. About the window, yes, they have provided 2 windows for ventilation and lighting purpose, and of course, the balcony space. This is your cute little private balcony. Comes up with anti-skid flooring over here. This balcony will give you perfect 2 view side with half wall structure, iron railing as well. Now let's move further to check the rest of the house. So now, before moving upstairs, let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with its sample flat and sample villa tour, with pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now we'll be moving upstairs, but before that, let me show you. They will provide you over here the toughened glass railing. So this is a toughened glass railing. Now let's move further towards your floor number 2. So now we'll be taking the staircase and moving further to your floor number 2, and you can have a look at the staircase again. And here's the sky view cutout. You can have a look how beautifully the natural light enters towards this villa. So now welcome to floor number 2, and this is your floor number 2, which has bedroom, and this is your last bedroom. That is bedroom number 5, and you can have a look over here, the ceiling height, the wooden flooring, and you can use this room in a multi-purpose way. You can use it as your kids play area, your study room, your work room, or else as ever you want. So basically here is your window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and for cross ventilation also they have provided you the windows over here which opens towards your terrace area. Now let's check out the terrace area. So this villa comes up with 2 terraces. So basically your terrace number 1 is over this side. Before that, let me show you. Here they have provided the provision for your machine and a powder area with anti-skid flooring and sanitary fittings. Now this is your terrace number 1. So welcome to terrace number 1, and you can have a look over here with the flooring, the anti-skid flooring over here, the half wall structure with iron railing, and this terrace will give you perfect view of the city. You can use this terrace in a multi-purpose way. Now we'll be going further to check the next terrace area, that is your terrace number 2. And this is your terrace number 2. So once you step inside over here, you can have a look. This terrace is much more spacious than your terrace number 1. So you can arrange a perfect house party. You can have a family get together, friends get together, and whatever you want. So basically this was a sample villa tour. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Attipalli location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.